Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy. We out here doing what we do. Shout out to life, shout out to beautiful energy. Let's keep it right, let's keep it tight. I'm gonna jump right into it. I recently picked up the SONY ZV-E10 and I just wanted to let everyone know I picked this camera up because I was looking for a B cam. Wanted to find a budget camera, and I feel like a lot of the videos that showcase this camera do not show it in its best light. Some people take decent photos, some people take decent videos. I really want to push the specs to this camera and really see if this camera can take good videos, photos, vlogging, you know, a B cam setup, a podcast setup, stuff like that. So that's the reason why I'm here now, and I want to jump into the photos with the SONY ZV-E10. Is this a good camera for photography? 100% yes. If you're looking for an intro camera, if you're looking for a camera that you're not used to Sony, you don't want to spend $3,000 on a camera, you want to jump into it and you want to take good quality photos, 100% this is the camera, the way to go. And just to show you what I've came out with this camera and this lens combo, I'm going to show you some photos here. Mind you, I did end up picking up the Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter lens. I am not using the stock lens. I want to show you what a piece of good glass looks like with these photos. So just keep that in mind. Let me know what you think of the photos. So those are pretty much all the photos I've taken with it so far. I've had it for about 5 days or 6 days now. We took a trip to Flagstaff, got to shoot some photos there. I will say the only con I did have with this camera was the burst. When people were sledding down the hill, I knew I could, hear it. The shutter's not as quick, which makes sense, honestly. For a $1,000 camera, between the body and the lens, I figured something was going to be off, but you still get the 24 megapixels. You still get raw photos, so you can edit those in Lightroom, and as long as you know how to tweak and edit and make your photos look good, I think this is a great starter camera, especially to learn the Sony ecosystem. Sony, the menu system is kind of, complicated, but once you get the hang of it, you're pretty much good to go through every single Sony. You're good to go with S-Log3, you're good to go with a lot of things. So I would give this camera honestly an 8 out of 10. I had no issues with it. Like I said, I'm shooting with the Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter 2.8 lens, and I absolutely love it for a B cam and honestly even photography. So I hope you like these photos. I hope you like these real life examples. I edited them pretty clean and I think they look good for, like I said, what this camera is and what it can do. So shout out to that. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Shout out to that, gang.